Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Then the question says that identify which of the above compounds are functional isomers and write their molecular formula. Okay, first of all, you have to know what are functional isomers. These are compounds with the same molecular formula but different functional group. So they have different functional groups but have the same molecular formula. So in other words, let us look for those compounds which are of different homologous series, but they have the same number of carbon atoms. And we locate them as D and G. When you look at D, this is what you have D. It is a SH3, a C double bond, a CH2, and a SH3, which is butanone. Meanwhile, the G, it is a SH3, a CH2, a CH2, a C double bond, H, which is what? Which is butanol. Now you have to know that this one, butanone, belongs to ketone, and butanol belongs to aldehyde. Yet they have the same molecular formula. What's the molecular formula? Let us have it here. Molecular formula is going to be equal to carbon. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 carbons. And hydrogen, how many are they? These are 5, 8. So there are 8. And 1 O. They both have this general formula, but they belong to different functional groups. So then comes this question. It says, state whether the compounds above are saturated or unsaturated and explain your answer. Okay, let us look at all these compounds there we have here. Are they saturated or unsaturated? The answer is they are all saturated. Okay, why do we say so? Answer is because they do not have any multiple bond between carbon atoms. Don't get confused by seeing this double bond. It's not between carbon atoms. So they are saturated. They do not have any multiple bond between carbon atoms. So comes this question. It says, name any naturally occurring ketones. Any ketones which occurs, which is natural. The answer here is fructose. It's a monosaccharide. It's one of the sugars which is naturally occurring, which is substitutable for natural sugar, which is sucrose. So instead of using sucrose, you can use fructose. So that is that. Another example is testosterone. This is a male sex hormone which is responsible for masculinity and the other features possessed by male. Okay, then comes this question. Name any naturally occurring aldehyde. Okay, what are they? The first one is cinnamon. That compound with a pungent, strong smell. So that is that. Actually, the actual compound is called cinnamaldehyde, which is an aldehyde, and we find it in the bark of cinnamon tree. Okay, the other compound is vanilla. Vanilla is also an aldehyde. So vanilla is a natural aldehyde which we normally use as food flavorant. Okay, then comes this question. It says that identify any synthetic or artificial ketone. Okay. The most common one is what we call acetone. Acetone is the same as propanone. I will commonly find it in the nail polisher. Okay, then comes this question. It says that identify any synthetic or naturally occurring aldehyde. Okay, yes. This one, the most talked about is formaldehyde. It's the same as methanol. We normally use this actually in the laboratory as preservative to preserve species, and also is used as disinfectant. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye bye.